Assistència de Xavi, més cap a dreta per a Messi, Messi, immens Messi, encara 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 Messi.
So, let me show you how to make your character sprint straight into the sunset. I'm in Unreal Engine, and I've added a character to the project along with animations from Mixamo. Add the skeletal mesh of our hero to the level. Now, to bring him to life, you need to create a sequence. Choose a folder to save it in the project and name the file. Sequencer in Unreal Engine is a tool for creating and managing animations, cutscenes, and gameplay events using a timeline. To set up the character animation, add it to the sequencer. Now, hover over the Animation tab, click the plus icon, and add the desired animation from the list of uploaded ones. On the timeline, you'll see the animation layer, just like a layer in any video editor. You can extend it as long as needed, but the running animation will always start from the initial point. I want the character to keep running forward non-stop. To do this, duplicate the animation layer using Ctrl-C and Ctrl-V. A new animation layer will appear, but you can place it on the same layer as the original animation. Now, right-click on the copied layer. Select the command match with this bone in previous clip, and set the bone relative to which the new animation will match. Now the character will keep running as long as you create copies of the animation layer. To quickly duplicate the layer, simply drag it while holding Alt. Boom! Infinite running unlocked. Now go make something awesome. Want to master Unreal? Join our course on Unreal Motion and learn how to build breathtaking 3D scenes. Enroll now.